How to connect and reset. How to pair with app and Bluetooth. Turn on Bluetooth on your smartphone. Download and install the Wear Fit Pro application. Open the app and follow the instructions. Log in to Wear Fit Pro. Go to Devices tab and select Add Device. You will see available watches list. Click on Ignite S3 Pro and you will receive a pop-up asking for pairing permission. Click on Pair to connect or Cancel to cancel. Follow instructions and complete pairing. For calling, go to your phone's BT settings and search for S3 Pro and connect. Note, make sure the BT calling icon on the watch is enabled. How to reset the smartwatch. Swipe from top to bottom once on the home screen. Tap on the settings option. Scroll down and tap the restore factory option. Click on X to cancel. Click on Tick to confirm. How to access the QR code to connect the watch with the app. Swipe from top to bottom once on the home screen. Tap on the settings option. Scroll down and tap the connect mobile phone option. Go to the Wear Fit Pro app and scan the QR code to connect the watch to the app directly.